Hey everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and there's Robbie. Woo! He found a Halloween owl.
Keep a watchful eye when you enter. You never know who or what you will encounter. Welcome, welcome. I hope you are not easily spooked. I have some surprises that await. Happy Halloween! Feel free to make yourself at home. Just don't make too big of a hoot. Keep a watchful eye when you enter. You never know who or what you will encounter.
And this is $24.99. It says owl doorbell. So this is a Halloween owl doorbell. And we'll see you on the next video.